Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Subway promo codes in 2025. So in order to get the promo codes and the discount codes, you just have to simply come to this website, that is couponfollow.com, and over here you will find a bunch of different promo codes that are currently working as of January 2025. So you can see that you can get 20% off, $7 off, $12 off. So you just have to simply select the coupon code in which you are interested and you need to click on it. Afterwards, it will show you the coupon code as well as give you some offer details, like you can get a free cookie on all your orders by using this Subway coupon codes at checkout. So if you are interested in it, you just have to simply click on redeem at Subway and it will redirect you on Subway's official website, where you just have to simply order your food, and at the time of checkout you just have to simply use this promo code in order to get a free cookie. Similarly, you can just simply take a look at some other promo codes in which you are interested and you can grab the deal from here. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.